In this video, I will be showing you how I share a ChatGPT conversation with others to collaborate on a project or simply show off a particularly helpful AI response. I'm starting right here on the home page, and to begin the process, I'll first navigate to my sidebar on the left and select the specific chat that I want to share with my team or a friend. Once the conversation is fully loaded and visible on my screen, I'll move my cursor up to the top right corner of the interface and click on the Share button, which is located right next to the model name and other settings. When the Share window pops up, I'll click on the Copy icon or the Copy Link button to save the unique URL directly to my clipboard. This is a great feature because it allows others to see the entire thread exactly as I do without needing to log in to my personal account. To make absolutely sure that the link works correctly and that the formatting is preserved for the viewer, I'll open a new incognito or private window in my browser. I'll paste the link into the address bar and press Enter to load the page. As you can see, the shared chat page appears perfectly, allowing anyone with the link to read through the entire interaction or even continue the conversation in their own ChatGPT account if they choose to. It's an incredibly efficient way for me to distribute research, share creative writing prompts, or provide technical instructions to others in a clean, professional format. This tool is a massive help when I'm working on group projects or trying to explain a complex AI workflow to someone else. If you found this walkthrough helpful for your own collaboration and sharing, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tips and tutorials.